everybody, welcome back to another video. This is NYC Syndicate Boss signing in right now. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell up top so you can get notifications for anytime I go live or anytime I do a video or something like that. You can get an update when I do videos. Right now I just bought the Stadia. I didn't buy the Founders Edition, so I don't really know. I think I might have to wind up paying, but if anybody's nice enough to give me one of those codes, be most appreciative. But all right, I gotta figure out how to open this thing here. All right, so I just brought the controller pretty much. So let's see what we got. Cause I brought GeForce Now, and I'm gonna do a review on that, a comparison video. I've been hearing a lot of things, but I can't believe stuff people say on YouTube because they'll just say something sucks because they need views or whatever. They want to get views, So that's pretty much how it works. So I'm just going to do it from a point of view of somebody who just likes to play video games. I ain't reviewing. I want to review stuff on technical stuff. I do technical stuff for a freaking living. So I'll be damn in hell if I sit there and break down specs for somebody for free. Sorry. It just ain't happening. If you don't like it, find somewhere else to go because I ain't doing it. Some technical stuff, I'm going to find somebody else. All right, here we go. Here's the controller. All right. It's the front of it. It's the back of it. It's got a pretty nice feel to it. Hold on a minute. Let me get my Xbox controller. Get my PlayStation 1 too, as a matter of fact. So it's actually heavier. It feels a little heavier than a freaking Xbox controller. This is a new one I got anyway. The white one I got actually feels heavier than this one here. Almost feel like I got fleeced by GameStop. It is what it is though. This is a PlayStation controller. This is the original one I got. This one's super light. All right, so back with this. All right, so here go your trigger buttons. Yes. Start menu. Control pad. There's the back of it. See, we got a mic port. You can just plug any pair of headphones you want into it, which is awesome. I'm using my Xbox one. It's got a Thunderbolt port, which is freaking cool. That's pretty cool. Freaking, this is what the Xbox one looks like. It's a little port for the headphone converter or whatever it is. Or I think that might be the keypad or whatever. This is a headphone jack. They're still using USB Type 2. This is the PlayStation 1. I think that might be for something else. I want to say that typewriter, the thing as well. This is also a Type 2. So, there's that. Let's see what else comes in the box under here. You get that. Get started guide. Let's see. Pretty much how to get started. Instructions, how to set it up. Get some warranty stuff. That's the other side of the box. This is the box. Barcode, serial number. There's the back. There's the box. All right. So at the end of the day, this is what you get. Pretty much you get this. It's pretty much what you get. All right, so I'm gonna power this up and then I'm gonna let you guys know, or guys and girls know exactly what the deal is, and I'm gonna do a NVIDIA Now, GeForce Now review, and then I'll let you know what that's about too. I'm also gonna do a PlayStation Now, which a PlayStation Now I've tested already and I liked it. It's pretty simple. You load it up on any computer. As long as you have a good internet, it works. So I've already tested that one, so I pretty much like that. I believe you have to use a PlayStation controller. I'm sure there's some way to use an Xbox controller, but whatever. All right. So thank you for tuning in, and this is the NYC Syndicate Boss signing off. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell up top. Leave a comment about anything you're interested in or you're curious about, or if you want me to hurry up and put up another video about this. Just stay tuned and let me know. All right, I will see you guys later. Peace.